think this bobby pin hook is my new favorite hook right now. Been picking a lot of different things with it. Let's see if I can defeat a Schlage Deadbolt with this guy. Curious. Sure, it's no easy task. Okay, I think I might be in a full set. I think that's counter rotation. Maybe not. Yep. Alright, good click. Deep full set. Okay, not sure if I got that up high enough. Oh, and I opened it. Wow. I think that may be the fastest I've ever picked this lock. Wow. Yeah. That's just crazy. I don't even know what to say about that.